Good morning, everyone. Grade 1, welcome to your English lesson. This is Aruj, your English teacher. So, today we are going to read about prefixes. Yesterday, I gave you the overview, I gave you the basic concept of prefixes, that what exactly the prefixes are. Today, exactly same, we're going to do that. We're going to revise what prefixes are. Yesterday, we were doing the exercise as well, but today we're going to do the uh, exercises that are given in your book about prefixes. I hope everyone you are safe and sound, and you are maintaining distance. You are using your sanitizers. You're washing your hand. You're taking bath every day. So I hope you are doing everything like this. Please take this serious, that don't touch anyone without washing hands, or sanitize your hands after certain time, and please stay healthy. Don't eat unnecessary. If you are healthy, then the country is healthy. Okay, so let's get started. Making of words. So prefixes, what are prefixes? A prefix is added to the beginning of a word to make a new word. एक नया word बनाने के लिए we are making एक नया word बनाने के लिए we are using the prefixes, means we are adding something into the word to the word. Okay, a prefix is added to the beginning of a word to make a new word. Okay, everyone. For example, again, not, opposite of. Okay, so these are the meaning of re, un, dis. Yesterday we did a lot of exercise. We read about how we can add re, how we can add un, how we can add dis. Now let's do. Prefixes are added to the beginning of root or base words. Roots or base words की beginning में लगाए जाते हैं. When you add a prefix to a base word, you change the word's meaning. आप word का meaning change कर देते हैं. Re again, back. री का मतलब होता है अगेन एंड बैक. री का मतलब वापस जाना या दोबारा करना. दिस मीन्स नॉट. अन मीन्स नॉट और ऑपोजिट. प्री मीन्स बिफोर. मिस मीन्स रॉन्ग. अंडर मीन्स बिलो. ओके, री का मतलब होता है दोबारा. डिस का मतलब होता है नॉट. अन का मतलब भी होता है नॉट या ऑपोजिट. ऑपोजिट मीन्स डिफरेंट. प्री का मतलब बिफोर. मिस का मतलब रॉन्ग. अंडर मीन्स बिलो. So let's do. Return, preschool, dishonest, replay, disappoint, undo, preview, mismatch, preheat, misbehave, preschool. So what you are going to do, you are going to underline the prefixes here. Return, preschool, pre is prefixes, circle it and underline. Okay, you are going to just underline. Okay, underline the root word in each word. So you will underline the root word. आपने root word जो main word है उसको underline करेंगे. Prefix को you can circle it. Preschool, prefix school is under. You will underline school. Dishonest, misbehave, reply, preheat, mismatch, preview, disappoint, undo. Okay, everyone. This is also untied, underwater, unable, underage, unlocked. Okay, so I am giving you 2 minutes to do this. I know we have already done this, so the video is going to be very short because yesterday we just completed our exercise. So today we are just revising it because we have already done this. I have given you the brief lecture already about this. So add full to the word to make new words. अब हमने इन words में full add कर देना. Playful, colorful, handful, careful, painful. Means कोई चीज़ full हो किसी चीज़ से, so we are going to add full with that. Playful means खेलने के काबिल है. Colorful, colorful है. Color filled है इसमें. Handful, handful है. Careful, careful है. Painful, painful. Watch each prefix with its root word and write the new words in the box below. Watch each prefix with its root word and write the new words in the box below. Unable, remove, preschool, misspell, disobey, impure, inactive. Okay, unable, remove, preschool, misspell, disobey, impure, inactive. So these are the prefixes and these are the root words. You will write it again over here. Unable, disobey, remove, impure, preschool, misspell, inactive. So this is the two pages that you have to do. So I'll see you next time. So take care, and I'm giving you 2 minutes to solve it out. So done, everyone? Okay, so take care, use your sanitizers, maintain social distances, and wash your hands and do your work on time. Don't forget to do the practice and don't forget to work on your book because your exams are just going to come, so you have to do practice at home. So, practice, work, and stay happy. See you next time. Bye.